Hello guys, and welcome to the first CSGO case unboxing on the channel. Today I'm by myself, obviously, because it's case unboxing, but yeah, and I have 10 Operation Breakout cases, but only 7 keys. So I hope I can get enough, good weapons out here so I can open up the others. So yeah, let's get started on the first case. Nova Koi. Okay, so if I had good skins, I'd be mad at that, but I sold all my skins, so that's not that bad. Ooh, and it's factory new. Nice. Okay, time to open up the next case. Come on, no blues, no blues. UMP, not that bad. I use UMP a lot. So hopefully this one will, not be that bad. On to the next case. I mean, like I said before, I have no skins, so you know what? That's not that minimal wear. I ain't even mad. I ain't even mad. Next case, let's just see how fast we can run through this. Come on, no blues, no blues. Scout Satyrs. I mean, not Satyrs, my bad. Abyss. Yeah, I'm a bit tired. I woke up not too long ago, so... 3 keys left. Come on. Nothing bad, nothing bad. Scout Abyss again. Not going too good. Come on. Second last case. That's a whole lot of blues. And another labyrinth. Last case. Come on, Gavin. Give me something good. Or you can just give me another MP7, you know. That's always good. Okay, so I think we're gonna have to trade up. We have 6, we need 3 to trade up. It kinda sucks. Okay, well, I'll probably post another video if I get enough keys to open up these 3. So, for now, peace out.